Good morning, student. Today we learn how a body can charge. We have three methods to charge a body. Okay. First, what is charging of a body? Charging or electrifying a body is adding or removing from it. If one body acquires positive charge with loss of electron and other acquires negative charge with gain of electron, we called charging the body. We called is called the body is charged. The body is charged. For charging the body, we have three methods. First, charging by rubbing. As we discussed earlier, when two bodies rubbed together, they get equal and opposite charges, equal and opposite charges. Then charging of body, then charging is called charging by rubbing. Second method is electrostatic induction. Electrostatic induction. in electrostatic induction, when a charged body is brought near an uncharged body, the charges in the uncharged body get polarized. This is called electrostatic induction. Okay, let me understood by the diagram. Let it is a charged body and the uncharged body is kept near the charged body. So due to induction, the negative charges in the uncharged body get polarized to the charged body, and those charge, the edge of the uncharged body which is near to the charged body get the equal and opposite charges. There is 3 charges, so here the negative 3 charges can appear in the closer edge of uncharged body, and due to the induction at the further edge, the opposite and equal charge appears in uncharged body. So this is the polarization of charges. Polarized charge due to keeping a charged body near to the uncharged body. Student, copy all these notes. The second method is charging a body by conduction. Or contact. When a charged body touch with uncharged body, then some electrons from the charged body charged body get transferred to uncharged body. This type of charging, this charging is called charging by conduction. Charging by conduction. Okay, this is a charged body and this is uncharged body. Okay, charged body, uncharged body. When they both kept in contact, like this, we find the positive charges are appears at the edge closer to the charged body, and the negative charges at the other end, and we find these negative charges are collapsed due to the outer end of the uncharged body. Then after removing the contact with the charged body, we find the body is charged. This is how a body is charged by conduction or contact. Now we understood the charging of body by induction. Charging by induction. Okay student, now we understood how the body can charge by induction. When a charged body is brought near an uncharged body, the edge of the object, which is near try to understand charging by induction with the help of diagram. Student, now copy these notes in your notebook. Okay. Now we understood charging by induction with the help of diagram. Student, negative charges appear at the near end of the charge body, while positive charges at the other end. This is, we find there is a bridge is formed between charged and uncharged body. Here, this is called bound charges, bound charges, and the other end, which is positive charges, these are called free charges. Okay, this is the polarization of charge in the uncharged body. Now, by induction, the negative charges are appeared at the outer end of the uncharged body. So, in the second step, we connect earthing with the uncharged body. By earthing, from the earth electrons are travels and they collapse the charges at the other end of the body. Then after, in the third step, we remove the contact of earth and the charge body also. Then we find the uncharged body get charged. We called any body is charged if there is inequality of charges. We find by induction number of charges in the object which is taken as uncharged body is 3 positive charges and 3 negative charges. And we all know, student, if the number of positive and negative charges are equal, then the body is called neutral or uncharged body. Now here, by the process of induction, initially first we kept near the two body, uncharged and charged body, in contact. Then we observe the charges are appeared in the body. Then after we connect earthing with the uncharged body, due to connection of the earthing, the positive charges at the further end or outer end are cancelled with the electrons coming from the earth. So when we removing the contact of earth and the charged body, we find there is inequality of charges in the uncharged body. 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of negative charges and 1 2 3 or positive charges. So we call the body is charged by induction. This is charged, charging by induction. Okay, student, here we also want to learn one thing, which one is coming, the positive charges is travel from the body to the earth or electron is coming from the earth to the body. We all know the positive charges are, we call protons are heavier comparison to the electron. So electrons are travels from the earth to collapsing the positive charges in this uncharged body at the further end. वैसे हम कह सकते हैं कि कोई भी दोनों में से एक जा सकता है, बट नेसेसरी इज इलेक्ट्रॉन आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द अर्थ टू cancel the positive charge at the other end. Okay, student, now we take one question of the transfer of charges. Okay, tell me how many electrons are transferred from one body to another if 2 coulomb of charge is transferred to the another body. So student, first you have to find the relation of charges and number of electron transferring. So we have quantization of charge, that is gives an representation of charge, that is Q is equal to NE, and we know E is electron charge, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and we have Q is equal to 2 coulomb. So we can able to calculate the number of electron transfer from one body to the another, that is Q upon E. So by calculating 2 coulomb upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, we find the number of electrons transferring. By calculating, we get when 2 coulomb of charge is transferring from one body to another body, so 1.25 into 10 to the power 19 electrons get transferred from the one body to the another body. Okay student, today we close till this, and in the next class we learn about the force between the charges, which is called Coulomb force, and the vector form of this Coulomb force, and superposition principle about the forces. Okay.